the script for the hell of it. Addicted to betrayal, but you're relevant. You're terrified to look down, 'cause if you dare, you see the glare of everyone you burn just to get there. It's coming back around. And I keep my side of the street clean. You wouldn't know what I mean. 'Cause karma is my boyfriend, karma is a god, karma is the breeze in my hair on the weekend. Karma's a relaxing thought. Aren't you envious that for you it's not? Sweet like honey, karma is a cat, purring in my lap 'cause it loves me, flexing like a Vegas acrobat. Me and karma vibe like that.
Karma is your checks by the bounce. Karma is the fire in your house, and she